Good morning, all of you. Welcome to this channel RTT, that is Ranjan Technical Training. Today, I will discuss another new topic. Before that, I have completed the number system topic. Already 4 classes taken in about a number system. Today, we will discuss about a new topic, that is percentage. So, before starting the class, we should have to know what is percentage. Percentage kon ame ta bisare first janiba. Ta upare ta bisare tar tricks bisare tumku bateibi. So, percentage means what? Percentage means out of 100. Here we will calculate out of 100. So first go to the first tricks to express any fraction in rate percentage. Means suppose the fraction is x by y, we will convert it into percentage. So what we will do in this cases, we will multiply x by y into 100. That will be the percentage. Okay, so let's take an example. Suppose convert 1 by 8 into percent. Convert 1 by 8 into percent. Here the fraction is how much? Fraction is 1 by 8. We will convert it into percentage. So what we will do? Using the above formula, we will multiply into 100. Okay. So how much this one? 25 by 2 is equal to how much? 12.5%. So answer is this one. So if we will convert 1 by 8 into percent, the percent will be how much? 12.5%. Okay. So let's take another example. What percent is equivalent to 3 by 8? Question is what percent is equivalent to 3 by 8? Means we will convert the fraction 3 by 8 into percentage. So what is the formula? The formula is 3 by 8 into 100. Okay. So the answer is how much? 75 by 2 is equal to how much? 37.5%. So this one is the answer. Okay. Then we will discuss about the second tricks. The second trick is what? In this cases, to express rate percent x is fraction. Before that, we have discussed convert the fraction into percentage. In this cases, what we will do? We will be convert the percent into fraction. So in this cases, what we will do? We will be divide the x, means divide the percent by 100. Then that value is the fraction. Okay. For example, convert 25% into fraction. Okay. तो ये केस रे हमें कोन करबा 25% को फ्रैक्शन रे हमें कन्वर्ट करबा तो सेति पे हमें कोन करबा फार्मूला कोन 25 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच 1 by 4. So answer is this one. Let's take another example. What fraction is 12 into 1 by 2%? Means convert this value into percentage. So what we will do? Again, we will use the formula. Formula is what? Formula is divided by 100. So this value will be how much? 25 by 2 divided by 100. So it will be how much? 25 by 2 into 1 by 100 is equal to how much? 1 by 8. So this one is the answer. If we will be convert this percentage value into the fraction, then this is the answer. Okay. एबे हमें 3 नंबर फार्मूला विषय पढ़िबा परसेंटेज रो 3 नंबर फार्मूला. थर्ड फार्मूला, तो हाउ टू फाइंड द x% ऑफ एन आइटम. x% ऑफ एन आइटम मींस, the question is, suppose we take an example. Suppose question is find 25% of 200. Okay. So what is the value? Formula is x by 100 into the value of the item. Here x is how much? X is 25 by 100 into value of the item. Value of the item is how much? 200. So into 200. So this one is how much? 50. The answer is 50. If question is find 25% of 200 means 25 by 100 into 200 is equal to 50. So answer is how much? 50. Okay. Let's take another example. Find 8% of 200. So here what we'll do? Here x is equal to how much? X is equal to 8. So by using the formula 8 by 100 into 200 is equal to how much? 16. So answer is 16. Okay. By using this formula, we will calculate like this. Next, we go to the number 4 formula. Number 4 formula is if x% of a number n is y, then what is the number? Here x and y is given, then you will find the number n. So what you will do? The formula is n is equal to y by x into 100. So take an example. Suppose if 8% of a number is 16, then number is equal to how much? Number is equal to, so formula is what? Formula is n is equal to y by x into 100. So here x is equal to how much? X is equal to 8. Y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 16. So by using this formula, we will put the value here. 16 by 8 into 100 is equal to how much? 200. So the number is 200. So answer is 200. Okay. Let's take another example. 25% of what number is 36? Here x is equal to how much? X is equal to 25. Y is equal to how much? 36. We will calculate number n. So formula is n is equal to y by x into 100 is equal to how much? Y is equal to 36. X is equal to 25 into 100. So this will be how much? 25 into 4 is equal to 100 is equal to 36 into 4. So here we will multiply 36 by 4. So 4 into 6, 4, carry 2, 4 into 3, 12 plus 2 is equal to 144. So answer is how much? Answer is 144. So 25% what number is 36? Here the number is how much? Number is 144. Okay. Now we will discuss another formula. Suppose if x% and y% of a number n are x1 and y1 respectively, then the following relation will exist. Means suppose x%, n is the number, here n is the number, then x% of n is equal to suppose x1 and y% of n is equal to suppose y1. Okay, then what is the relation will be exist? The relation will be x1 by x is equal to y1 by y is equal to n by 100. This one is the relation. Okay, let's take an example. Suppose if 25% of a number is 20, what is 40% of that number and find the number. So here x1 is equal to how much? X1 is equal to 20 and x is equal to how much? 25. Yes or no? Because if 25% of a number is 20, suppose the number is how much? Number is n, then 25% of n is equal to 20. Then second one is what is 40% of that number? Means 40% of n is how much? We will calculate the 40% of n. So here y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 40. So what we will calculate? We will calculate y1 is equal to how much and n is equal to how much. Okay. Before that, we know that formula. Formula is x1 by x is equal to y1 by y is equal to n by 100. Okay. So x1 is how much? 20 by 25 is equal to, we can write y1 divided by how much? 40. Yes or no? So by using this formula, we can calculate y1 is equal to how much? 20 into 40 divided by 25. Yes or no? So this one is 5 into 4 20, 5 into 5 25, 5 into 8 is equal to 40. So answer is 4 into 8 is equal to 32. So here y1 is equal to how much? Y1 is equal to 32. Now we will calculate what? We will calculate the n. Again x1 by x is equal to n by 100. Yes or no? So we put the value. X1 is how much? X1 is 20 divided by x is how much? X is 25 is equal to n divided by 100. So n is equal to how much? N is equal to 20 into 100 divided by 25. So this one will be how much? For 25 into 4 is equal to 100. So 20 into 4 is equal to 80. Okay. This is all about today's class. If you have any doubt, then text me. I will clear your doubt. Thank you.